Want to change your Instagram profile picture? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can do that. First of all, launch open the Instagram app on your device. Make sure to log into your account. Now tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. You can find your current profile picture over here. If you want to change that, tap on the edit profile option. Now select the option of change profile picture. Now you will have a couple of options here. You can either choose from library, import from Facebook, or take a picture right now. I'm going to select choose from library. Now go ahead and select your preferred photo from here. Then you can adjust it however you want. After that, tap on the done option. Now you can refresh the page, and as you can see, your profile picture has been successfully changed. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.